In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to zoom out or zoom in the iPhone 16 Pro. You can see we have right here. It's really easy to do, but without further ado, first thing you do, you open up the camera app like so, where once you open up the camera app, all you need to do is to actually zoom. We've got this new handy button on the side right here. You can see it. It's just called the camera action button. And if we use this, we can actually zoom in or out using this feature. Or you can do the normal feature, which is just using your thumb or finger right like this. You can see you can zoom in all the way into 25 times zoom on the photos option. You can see if it focuses. You can see that's how you zoom in, or you can go up to 0.5, which is 13 millimeters, extremely wide. You can see everything, and that's how you zoom in and out. And if it is stuck, I just recommend restarting the phone just by doing this, holding on this side button right here and this button right here, and that will fix your issue of it being stuck. And just hold these two and click on the power off option, and that will fix your issue of it being stuck. And yeah, that's how you just use the camera, and it's really easy to do. Hopefully you found this helpful.